Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove duplicate files inside of Claude chats. So to get started, let's move over to our projects tab. If you're working in a project and have a duplicate file in your knowledge base, this is how you're going to get rid of it. Simply navigate to the project in question. And as you can see, there are two files here with exactly the same name, and I want to remove one of them. It's really easy. All you have to do is mouse over it. And as you mouse over it, you should see this X icon remove at the top left of the preview. So just go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, the duplicate file has instantly been removed. It's really that quick and that easy. So I'm going to go over to a chat here. And if you have a duplicate file inside of a chat, so let's say, for example,
hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
You upload the same file twice. Go ahead and click on add files, and you accidentally uploaded two files. It's pretty much the same process. Just mouse over it and you should see this remove icon. Now that it's removed, you can start writing your prompt and using Claude for whatever it is you might need it for. So unfortunately, right now, there is no option to remove a singular file once you've already sent a prompt. So it's always good to double check every now and then. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just a really quick and easy how-to. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.